Good morning students. Welcome to the e-learning class, and as we were doing revision, today also we will do the revision. Today we will revise the conversion from lower to higher conversion and from higher to lower conversion. See, question number 1. It is given that convert into meters. First one is 208 kilometer. You have to change it meters. So what you will write? As you know that I have told you to write that since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, therefore 208 kilometer is equals to 208 into 1000 meter. So the answer will be 208 and then 3 zeros. Okay, so this is in meter. This is the answer. This is the revision we are doing. Now one more we will do. Number B. It is given 100 kilometer and 10 meter. The same statement that since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, therefore 100 kilometer 10 meter is equals to, here it is given two units, one is kilometer, one is meter. So you will change only the kilometer part and the meter part will remain same. So 100 into 1000 plus 10 meter. So this will become plus 10 meter. Answer will be 100010 meter. Okay. This is the addition. So this is our answer. This type, you will solve this type of problem like this. Okay, now let's do some more conversion. Now write question number 2. Question number 2 is convert into decimeter. Okay, so let's write 15 meter. This is given in meter, you have to change in decimeter. So what you will write? Since 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter, therefore 15 meter is equals to 15 into 10, that is 150 decimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. Now one more we will do. 103 meter and 3 decimeter. So the same thing, one is given in meter and the rest one is given in decimeter. So the decimeter will not change, only the meter portion will change. So you will write that there, since 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter, therefore 103 meter and 3 decimeter is equals to 103 into 10 plus 3 dm. So this will be 1030 plus 3 decimeter, that is 1033 decimeter. So this is the answer for number B. So this type of sums you will solve to change in from meter to decimeter. Let's start question number 3. Now question number 3 is convert into centimeter. The first question I am writing. Suppose it is given 135 meter. Now change this in centimeter. As we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore 135 meter is equals to 135 into 100. So the answer is 13500 centimeter. Okay. Now number B. 4 meter 65 centimeter. Again the two units are involved in the question. So this first, that is the meter, will be changed and this 65 will be remaining as it is and it will be adding. So since 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, therefore 4 meter 65 centimeter is equals to 4 into 100 plus 65 centimeter. This will be 400 plus 65 centimeter and the answer is 465 centimeter. Clear? So this is the conversion from meter to centimeter. One more conversion we will do, that is from convert into millimeter. Okay, from centimeter to millimeter. Now centimeter is given, you have to change in millimeter. So what you will write, since 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, because just after centimeter it is the millimeter. So you will write, therefore 65 centimeter is equals to 65 into 10 millimeter, that is 650 mm or millimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for millimeter. Now one more question we will do for this millimeter. Now question number B. It is given 83 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Again 2 units are given. So you will change only the centimeter part. So since 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, therefore 83 centimeter and 5 millimeter is equals to 83 into 10 plus 5. So this will be 830 plus 5, that is 835 millimeter. So this is our answer. Now let's do one more. Convert into meters. These all are from composite maths. Okay, so convert into meters. It is given 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 1 decameter and 1 meter. This you have to change whole into meters. Okay, only the last one is given in meters, so it will be as it is. Rest, this whole part you will change in meters. So what you will write, that since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meter. Next is 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. Okay, so these are the three things. And let's start the question. Therefore 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 1 decameter and 1 meter is equals to, first one 1 into 1000 plus again 1 into 100 plus 1 into 10 and the last one, that is in 1 meter, it will be as it is. So it is 1000, 1 into 1000 is 1000, 1 into 100 is 100 and 1 into 10 is 10 plus 1 meter. The answer is 1, 1, 1 and 1 meter. That means 1111 meters. Okay. So if the question comes like this, that means 3 units are involved in the same question, you will convert it like this. Clear? So that's all for today. You practice this conversion at home. Goodbye all of you.